This pocket watch belonged to a man named Robert Douglas Norman. And he was a second-class passenger. And this pocket watch, can you tell, has stopped. This pocket watch has frozen at the moment that Robert's body fell from the Titanic and hit the ice-cold water. And it has not moved since. Now, this is a live link through to the actual object itself. I can't... Are you okay there, sir? You look a little bit concerned, sir.
It keeps moving like a tiny bit.
Hands down. So you guys, it's been frozen, it hasn't moved, it hasn't ticked for over 100 years, and it is now in a case, it's in a secure case, in fact it's in a vacuum so it can't even be heard. And what's the problem?
He's making it.
Can you just keep it down? That's really not meant to be happening at all. Let me just radio... Hello, can someone please check on the watch, please?
Welcome everyone! Welcome to the Titanic.
2 tickets. No, pass it along. Here you go, here we go, sir. Here we go. Now, welcome to the White Star Line. Thank you very much.
Stand to!
The kids really enjoyed it. Not a single sad face. They all were hooked from the moment they got here. And I think they've gained quite a lot of information, and they all managed to do it without a single child complaining. So they really were great in the way that they've captured their interest.
Children getting to take part in actually how life was on the Titanic.
What we would do is we would maybe walk the deck, the first class deck of course.
Then looking through the bags and trying to get clues as to who they belong to. Excellent, really good.
The investigation one got them thinking about what different people were on the ship and the different classes and how to act.
Definitely, and the actors themselves, have just been really good, kept everyone in line, kept it really engaging. They've just been really, really good actors.
Could somebody explain more about that?
So, yes, do take a stroll just around here, and if you meet another couple, do greet them, won't you? Come on, madam, let's go for a stroll, shall we? There you are.
Oh, excellent. What a lovely stroll we're having. I wonder who's on the promenade deck this morning.
Let's go. That's everybody down.
We will need to lay the table ready for dining. You don't need one each, but one...
That should fit.
A napkin, perhaps, gentlemen? Yes. Do make sure there are no creases in it. Yeah. You're the creased.
10.
10. What? 10 courses, of course. First class passengers experience luxury on board the Titanic. Hey, look.
Oh, thank you, sir. What about a spot of dancing? Do you like to dance? Oh, do you like to dance, everybody?
Different classes on the Titanic's been really good. The waltzing was so much fun.
It's not often you can make a bunch of 10 and 11-year-old boys and girls dance, so they've done really well. Really well.
Just get the staff, can you? Might have to sort those fingers out.
Oh, gentlemen, you are looking incredibly fine.
How charming. Yeah, these gentlemen do. Marvellous.
Right, slide. Should we have a go? Left, right, slide. Excellent.
Do come and ask a lady to dance. This is your opportunity if you've got your eye on them.
Excellent. So face your partner. Excellent. Wonderful.
Yes, very good. Yes.
Excellent
frame.
Yes,
very nice indeed. I think we might be ready for some music, Helen. Shall I fire up the radio?
Excellent. Wonderful. Coordination. I don't know how I do this. I coordination.
I think we've turned them into first class passengers.
I've enjoyed the dancing, doing the tables as well, doing the plates and things, so that's really fun. I like the dancing because it was really fun and I like dancing. When we would dance with my partner. I've enjoyed doing the dancing and how we went through the people's suitcases and everything. I liked everything, but I think it was the first activity that we did about the finding out with the suitcases who they belong to.
But everyone, let's give them some encouragement. So, 3, 2, 1, go! Yes! Let's see the pose, let's see the pose. Fabulous, yes, fantastic, and back again. Well done, sir.
It's been really good, hasn't it?
Yeah, it has.
Really engaging.
It's been absolutely wonderful today. Really brilliant. The children have absolutely loved it.
Whilst you're having your lunch, if you want, in groups, I can take you to see the actual watch, which we've now got on display round the corner. The watch that is frozen in time. Would you like that?
Yeah!
Okay. It's here.
Whoa. That tells us around the time the Titanic was.
Exactly. What time does it show you?
1:15.
Oh, look at the size of the hands.
5 past 3.
Yeah, it's around about there.
It's about 3:06.
What? Oh my god.
That's really? I'm surprised it stopped at the exact time that he entered the water. This watch belongs to second-class passenger Robert, who died during the sinking of the Titanic. The watch stopped when he entered the water. It was recovered from his body and returned to the family who donated it to the National Maritime Museum. I think it's really cool. I just knew that. Yeah, I think it's really cool that it actually found it. It's really cool, like how it's frozen and stuff.
That's pretty neat.
Whoa. That's cool.
That's well cool.
That's tiny.
That's sick.
That is tiny. That's cool. Imagine if it's sticky.
Do you think he'd like that it was on display in a museum and kept safe, and so that other people could see it? Yeah. Cool. It was found on his body, and it was given to his family, and they donated it to the museum. They donated it to the National Maritime Museum in Greenwich, London, and they've kindly let us have it for a short period of time so that you guys can see it. It's cool, hey? Yeah. Alright guys, when you're ready, come back with me then.